Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and if you're at the Hux World, and today we got a freebie alert for you to check out. So stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and today we got an awesome freebie for you to check out, and amazingly this one has some features to it. Now it's free for the taking in the Gift Manager store, so make sure you go ahead and go download it. Now what I'm liking about this face, first of all, is that they're in big bold numbers. For a guy like me who can't see, this is perfect. Now the name of the watch face is called Dark Material Red. It's a 12-hour watch face for those of you all who love 12 hours. In the always on mode, you're going to get a dim look of this. It's still going to be colored red. It's still going to look the same, but when it's on, it's nice, big and bold. Even the day, the month and the date is nicely legible. I'm liking that. You get your step info. You also get your heart rate. At the top, you're going to get your battery percentage. Now, I like the look as if it was an analog watch face, but it is all digital. Not bad at all, but it is interactive. So if you tap here, you can get your calorie burn, step info. If I tap here, I can get my calendar. I tap on the 28, I can go into my settings. So if I need to tweak anything, I can go in and tweak. And if I tap on the 8, I can go into setting my alarm for the day or for tomorrow. Listen, I like this. Considering that it is free, it offers some features which I thought was very nice, which I thought you just might like. And if you do, go ahead and go download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this freebie alert. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope your Monday grind is going A-OK. Just keep grinding hard and it'll be over with soon. All right, you all, don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. All right, you all, that's going to be it. I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.